In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12S, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages. Then select or create a chat. When you're ready, use this plus icon at the bottom left corner, and firstly, to create and add an audio file, hit recording. Then hold this microphone and start recording your message. When you're ready, let go. If you want to add a video file, you need to tap on this plus at the bottom left corner, and this time click on one of your videos in Gallery. You can also select Gallery section over here, tap on your video, and select Done at the bottom left corner of this little white area. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!